Morning student, I am Praveen Kumar, your science subject teacher of BLS Inter College. This video is for 9th class physics chapter motion. That we have started the video. The topic distance. It is represented by a symbol L or small d. Definition: the distance traveled by an object is the actual length or the path covered by moving object irrespective of the distance in which the object travel. That means that the total distance between in initial or final point traveled by the body without respect of direction is known as distance, or it is scalar quantity because it did not depend on direction. Next heading, that is displacement. It is represented by S and the arrow on the head. That means it is a vector quantity. This means this is depend both on direction and magnitude. Definition: the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of object along with the direction is called displacement. Distance is a scalar quantity, already told you, but displacement is a vector quantity. And some note points, that is displacement tell us two things: how far the final position is from the initial position and in what direction the final position is as seen from the initial position. In this diagram we will try to explain what is the difference between displacement and distance. Here are the diagram, that is x-axis and y-axis, and for example, like a boy is moving from the origin point O, reference point, we have already told in the previous section of video, that is O to A distance, that is 4 km, and after it was going to A to B, that is 3 km. That is distance because it is does not depend on the direction of the body. So the total distance covered by the boy is equal to O to A plus A to B. That is total length of the path. This is known as distance, that is equal to 7 km. But when we have talking about displacement, that is from the definition, that is the shortest path, a shortest distance from initial position to the final position. So that OB is the displacement, which is the shortest distance between, that is initial point and final point. So it is vector, so it follow the vector sum, not algebraic sum. In algebraic sum we are directly add point distance covered by the object. So it's 7 km, and for that we use have the Pythagoras theorem, that is OB equal to root 4 square plus 3 square equal to root 25, that is 5 km. So the displacement is 5 km and distance covered by the object, that is 7 km.